Hello, students, and welcome to biology class. The topic we shall be discussing is excretory system. Excretory system. Excretion is one of the major topics in biology that deals with elimination of waste products from the body of an organism. Without removing these waste products from the body, it can cause harm and eventually lead to death of an organism. Before we delve into the topic, let's look at the learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to 1. Define excretion, explain why excretion is important, list the various types of excretory structure, and discuss the excretory structure in some organisms. Now, let's look at the meaning of excretion. What is excretion? Excretion refers to the removal of metabolic waste products such as urine, sweat, and carbon dioxide, which are produced by body metabolic processes. Or you can define excretion as the removal of waste products of metabolism as a result of the chemical activities of the body cells. Excretion, waste products are very important that is removed from the body of an organism since it is toxic and harmful and it might eventually lead to death of an organism if it's not removed. Excretion is different from egestion, which is the removal of solid waste, that is, undigested food substances, that is, feces, through the anus. It is very important that we carry out excretion. Now, what are the importance of excretion? There are various reasons why animals need to excrete their waste product from their body. One of them is to avoid or prevent any harm that will be caused by any of these excretory products. As I've said, that excretory products are very harmful to the body if it's left in the body for a long time and needs to be removed, else it might cause harm to the body of an organism. The second important why excretion is important to be eliminated is some excretory products are poisonous to the body and therefore should be removed. The third importance of excretion is it helps to maintain water balance in the body, that is homeostasis. Now let's look at the meaning of homeostasis. Homeostasis is the regulation of a constant body internal environment. Now when the waste product is being removed from the body of an organism, it helps to maintain water balance in the body. The other importance of excretion is it regulates body temperature. It regulates body temperature. The fifth part is it gives a great relief to the body. It gives a great relief to the body. Another reason why excretion is important is it reduces anxiety and stress in the body. It reduces anxiety and stress in the body. We have other we have other importance why excretion is important. Well, I have other reasons why excretion is important. The other ones are it helps to remove materials, undigested food, and water from the body, and also to avoid interference of waste products with normal metabolic activities in the body. It also helps to maintain salt balance in the blood. Now, let's look at some excretory structure and waste in organisms. The first we shall be looking at is the protozoa. The protozoa comprises of euglena, amoeba, chlamydomonas, paramecium. Now we are looking at euglena. Euglena, the waste product of euglena is crotata vacuum. They use crotata vacuum to carry out their waste products. The other is the flatworm. The flatworm has what is called flame cell to carry out the excretory waste products. The other organism is the earthworm. The earthworm uses nephridia to eliminate or remove their excretory waste products from their body. The other organism or animal is the mammal. When you talk about mammal, they are animals with air in their body and they can give birth to their young ones. Example, you have goats, dog, etc. And what are the excretory organs of this animal? We have the kidney, the lungs, the skin, and the liver. I will be leaving you with some assignments which you shall ponder upon and prepare for the next class. 1. Define excretion. 2. How are excretory products removed in amoeba and earthworm? 3. Describe the excretory structure in earthworm. And 4. Mention 4 importance of excretion. Before you go, let's look at a recap of what we have discussed so far. We look at the meaning of excretion, where we said excretion is the removal of waste product of metabolism as a result of the chemical activities of the body cells. We also went further to look at the importance of excretion or need of excretion. And one of the need of excretion is it helps to maintain water balance or salt balance. It saves protozoa like amoeba from bursting. It also helps in regulating body temperature. We also went further to look at we also went further to look at some excretory structure and waste in organism. And the first one we look at is the euglena. And we said the euglena use crotata vacuole for excretion. We also look at the flatworm, where we said the flatworm use flame cell for excretion. We also look at the earthworm, and we said the earthworm use nephridia for excretion. We look at the mammals, where we said mammals use skin, kidney, liver, and skin to carry out to remove their excretory products. Until I come your way again, keep learning and keep studying. Thank you for listening.